The oscilloscope is powered on. The volts per division knob adjusts the amplitude, or the number of volts per division on the oscilloscope. In our example, the vertical scaling is set to 2 volts per division. For every division on the vertical scale, up and down, 2 volts is represented. The channel 1 marker on the left side shows where the 0-volt level or ground is located as a point of reference. Note the voltage trace on the display. There are 6 divisions in the amplitude of this waveform. Multiply the number of divisions by the volts per division. 6 divisions times 2 volts equals 12 volts. For the exact same waveform, the vertical scale is now adjusted to 5 volts per division. Note that the waveform has not changed. It still has an amplitude of 12 volts. We've simply changed the settings of the oscilloscope. We can determine the amplitude once again by counting the number of divisions and multiplying by the scale.